Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to undo reconciliation here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now go to the left panel and just go to banking. Okay, once done, scroll down and go ahead and find the specific bank, okay, that you would like to change or undo the reconciliation. Now once you're in here, just go to the top and click on the gear icon like so. Now here you have reconcile account option. Click on it. And in here, what you'll do is just basically find the latest reconciliation in the list. Okay. Hover over it. Now in here at the far right, you have the drop down. Just click on it. And as you can see, you have the undo reconciliation option. Just basically click on it. And here you have a pop-up. Okay. Once you undo a reconciliation, it will be saved in the in progress status. Do you want to proceed? Click on proceed like so. Now says the reconciliation has been saved as a draft and the status right here says in progress. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.